This is one of those meals that you prepare for your family on a very lazy day that don't feel like cooking anything. But you have white rice in the fridge, or you have any rice that you've bought. For me, I'm making use of rice. It's just white rice, but I added some turmeric when I was cooking the rice. That's why the color is yellow. So you can easily make this with any rice of your choice. If you have leftover rice in the fridge, it can work with this. Just have put anything you have in the fridge, the vegetables, put anything you have, and voila, the food is ready. And this doesn't take any time, within 15-20 minutes. So let's keep watching. Please like the video, comment, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me in the comment section, what is that food that you prepare for your family on a very lazy day? For me, this is one of it. Once I have white rice in the fridge, I'm good to go. And another one of them is yam, because I always have yam in my freezer. Anyways, tell me what you always have as a lazy meal for your family when you feel like you don't have to cook anything. And thank you once again. I will see you all in my next one. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And bye.